So bank holiday Monday morning, all set up, loaded, get up to DPC, got it concreted on Saturday. We've got quarter trench, quarter block, 5 quarter brick, well 4 split, and 2 block and 2 brick on the back, brings us up to slab level. Got 1 core up, get set up now, shouldn't be long now. Quick update, lunchtime, we're hoping to be done by lunchtime, but same as usual we haven't. Gully's collapsed, so that's going to have to be wedged in temporary, and the grinder's packed up, so it's a lintel, so we couldn't put the lintel down, but as I was saying, the grinder's packed up, so we couldn't cut that down, but it's probably a good thing because the lintel would have been shown above the flag level, so I've been back home and got this angle line. It's not much of a hole to span. That's fixed by the problems that. We're not lintling over that, we're just going to build that in tight with it being a water main. Just going to build around it, build it solid. And it should just pop out below damp course hopefully. So that's it now, we've got course and a half on the back, 2 courses in the front.
Tie wires have been put in.
Oh yeah, tie wires have been put in, and we've also drilled bluebirds in both ends, so it's all tied in. So
we're just
So we'll get some dinner. We should have it cracked off within or after dinner. It's just running a few bits in, and then wedge that back in somehow. So we'll get back after dinner. So a quick update. Have we done an intro for this? I think we did, didn't we?
I don't know.
Well anyway, we'll find out in the edit.
Welcome to halfway through the video.
Yeah, halfway through the video. I wish it was halfway through. We're just we're nearly up to DPC. Bank holiday Monday. About 20 to 1. 10 to 1. We should have had it up to DPC by now, but as usual it's been a pain, the whole job's been a pain in the arse. we've had the bank collapse. It wasn't quite gauged, so I've had to do splits on the front, but the back works block. It's a course of trench, 2 course of 4-inch on the back, 2 course of bricks on the back. The front is obviously the trench, 1 course of block and 4.5 face, isn't it? Because of the split.
Yeah.
But it all works nice and level now. Where the water main comes through is another pain in the arse, because everything's connected. It was all, they had a new boiler fitting, all the plumbing's put in and everything, but then they discovered when they went to redo the floor that the wall was sat on the floor and the floor was sat on a few bricks and a bit of grano. That's why we've come to redo it. So we've gone down 900, new foundation, about 250 of concrete, and then we're building it up now. We had a pipe that was collapsed, we had to concrete round that and blank that off, and then we've got the water main coming through, and we've got 2 lead pipes, one's been blanked off, one goes across the foundation. It's only 8.5 block long.
I think so, yeah.
Just a straight run, 8.5 block long, and it couldn't be any more of a pain in the arse if we tried. But the lintel, not the lintel, my grinder packed up, so we couldn't cut the concrete lintel in half. And I knew I had an angle iron back home, but it was 1200. But when I went back home, I found one about 450. So I bombed it back now, so we can finish that now. Get all the brickwork done, and then it should be a day, just under a day, to get it prepped and slabbed. So that's it for now. Have a bit of dinner and get back to it. That's it, done just after 2 o'clock. Thank God we're out of the ground. Do not miss doing foundations at all. So next job is prep the floor and slab it, basically. Take the tops and corners off that wall there and let the slab run through, so that the fish screen comes up and over. This fish squeeze will come up and over the top. That side will just lap up the wall, same as that side, up the wall. I think that's it, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Once it's slabbed, we can get back and get it built. It's as it was, solid wall with a big 1200 window here. No, actually it's about here now, down this end. And we were going to put a drain in for the toilet, but it's just been a bit of a mess down there, so they're just going to cordial it out and either boss it into that or dig down and put a wire junction down here somewhere where this gully goes in. Well, that gully's been put back temporary. I've just sat it, it's all smashed, so I've just sat it on sand and cement, so it's the bottom of the pipes not leaking. So it's all temporary for now. So let's get out of here. Enjoy the rest of our bank holiday, what's left of it. Right, it's Wednesday. We weren't here yesterday. What were we doing yesterday? I've forgotten. Anyway, back today. We've managed to get concrete orders. It's only going to take about 0.4. So unfortunately they charge for a full tube, but it's just too awkward to mix ourselves this. Problem with the day today is that pipe over there, which we lifted up out of the way. Unfortunately it's still live, which we thought was dead. So what we're going to do is, it has a push fit blank on the end. So we're going to switch the water off at the stopcock, put that back into the wall that way, and put that blanking piece on the end. So problem averted for now. We haven't been given a time for the concrete, so we've just got to make sure we're ready. So we're going to get the hardcore in. Well, Alex starts barrowing that, and I'm going to start taking these couple of course of brick out, so the flow runs through.
Do you have more on this?
Yes, so the distressed signals of blood through instinct. So one of my favourite smells is that lovely smell you get on freshly mown grass, which maybe you like as well.
Right, but the other grass that the mower is coming, and quick store your sugars. This is Gillian in Leicestershire.
Well done.
William.
That's it, blanked off. Thank God. Push fit fitting. That could have been a lot of trouble, because that was coming down here into the concrete in the way. So we've got to take these out now. That's slide. Alex has brought the glue in. Right, let's get stuck into that. I've just done that. Would you help her?
One thing after the other.
Oh yeah. Fix the leak. Now we've got a leak on the bloody tyre. I'm going for a coffee.
That should be alright.
Right. Another disaster. Forgot to press play again. So insulation's down. We've got given a full piece and a load of bits. So we'll just patch together all the bits. I don't like wasting this stuff. It's very expensive. So it's just going to all fit. So that's our insulation. We're a bit short of stone, so we're going to put a thicker slab in. We're going to put about 150 slab in. Got plenty of spare concrete. So that's the viscreen under the insulation. Now we're going to put another sheet of viscreen on top. And that's been blinded. So that's the slab to go across. Now let's get this next one in. Yeah, it's through to the undies, I'm afraid. Alex had his coat on, but didn't have his hood up.
Oh, I have my hood up.
It's done. Slab's down. Concrete is very wet because it's mixed on the wagon, so all the aggregates are really wet. So they just lashed it in, and it's gone in. We've not trowelled it up, we've not levelled it. We just can't do the raking. It's found its own level, which is handy, I suppose. So that's it. We're done. We're going home. No, we're not back tomorrow. It's Thursday tomorrow, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, back Saturday. Yeah, we're not back tomorrow, we're back Saturday. Yeah, we're back on site tomorrow and Friday, assuming it's not like that. So we'll see what happens. Over and out.